Hello and welcome back to Proactive New York. Joining me today is Riccardo Canevari, CEO at Radiopharm Theranostics. Riccardo, good to meet you. How are you today?
I'm doing great. Thank you. It's an exciting day for us.
Yes, very exciting. You have just listed on the Australian Stock Exchange, so congratulations on that. Tell me a bit about kind of what brought you to this day here. First of all, why list on the ASX?
Yeah, thank you, Christine. No, it's a very important milestone for every company when you decide to move from private to public. We decided the ASX mainly for two reasons. Our executive chairman, Paul Opper, knows the market very well, is a very well recognized entrepreneur in the country, and we believe that was the right place to be. But not only for this reason, it's also a lot of expertise and competencies in the Australian market for radiopharmaceutical, and a couple of other two companies already listed there. So we believe we can fit very well, and we are very excited to be at the ASX.
And what's the amount of capital that you're raising with this listing?
Yes, we are targeting 50 million Australian dollar. This, in addition to what we raised before, will bring our market cap at 152 million Australian dollar just right now.
So how will you be using the funds? Tell me more a bit about your pipeline of products that you have.
Yes, we are excited about our pipeline. We were able to secure 4 family of assets for major institution and university. We selected them very carefully because we want to be sure that each of our assets has the potential to be either first to market or best in class in specific area of high unmet medical need, mainly in oncology. So as you can expect, this capital for us will be critical, of course, to complete our financial milestone with the institution that we are acquired the license, but even more important, to accelerate our development plan. We really want to maximize our speed now that we have more financial support available to bring all our pipeline to the next step.
For those who aren't familiar with the space that you're in, what exactly are radiopharmaceuticals?
Yes, sure. So oncology has a history of different mechanisms of action or modalities that has been very important to help patient until now. We have chemotherapy, we have targeted therapy, we have immuno-oncology, and more recently also cell and gene therapy. Well, radiopharmaceutical are the new emerging pillar in oncology, and we are extremely excited about this possibility to contribute to better therapies for patients with oncological disease. What is a radiopharmaceutical? Is a drug that you are able to link with an isotope. This isotope is able to select the tumor cells while leaving almost untouched the healthy tissue, and the experience that we see that we can use this new mechanism of action to selectively kill cancer cells in the patients.
It sounds like a very exciting space, and we look forward to following it. Before I let you go, give us a sense of your background in this area. I know you do have quite a bit of experience in oncology.
Yes, Christine. So before joining as a CEO of Radiopharm Theranostics, I was in Novartis in their radiopharmaceutical division called AAA, and I was the chief commercial officer. And before that, always in Novartis, I was able to lead the oncology franchise for some years, so where I developed my experience. So really combining specialty pharma, oncology experience, and radiopharmaceutical, I'm really keen and super motivated to give my strong contribution to my team and to the company.
So what should investors be looking out for in the next few months in terms of your pipeline?
Yes, as I said, financial resources are important to accelerate our development plan. So we really want to keep the market informed with all our advancement and milestone, mainly clinical, for our multiple asset pipeline. So we plan to inform a lot of things are going to happen in the next 12 and 24 months, and we will share this, hopefully very proud of the early results that we can see.
We'll look forward to it. Riccardo, congrats and thanks again for joining me.
Thank you very much for having me.